How to download music from YouTube as MP3 file. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way to download music from YouTube in MP3 format, and it works on Android, iPhone, or even a computer. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Chrome app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply search for studio.youtube.com. And once you search for it, it will lead you to the YouTube Creator Studio. And here you just need a Google account to access it. You don't need to be a big YouTuber. Even if you have brand new channel with 0 subscribers, this will still work. And here, once you're inside the Creator Studio, just look at the left hand side menu, and here at the bottom you will see a music note icon. So simply tap on it, and here once you are in the YouTube audio library, you will see a section packed with royalty free tracks that anyone can use. So here you can simply preview any song by tapping on the play icon beside it to check if it fits your vibe. And if you find a song you like and want to download it, just swipe or scroll all the way to the right side of that track row and you will see a download button. So just tap on it and your MP3 file will start downloading right away. And once it finishes, you'll usually see an option at the top to open the file. So here you can just listen to it instantly, or if you want to find it later, you can easily find it in the Files app. And that's it. That's how you can download music from the YouTube as MP3 file. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.